Did you know that the fastest bird is the peregrine falcon? This bird of prey can reach up to 400 kilometers per hour whilst free falling. Wow, it's so fast! Poor dove if it were to cross its path. On the other hand, the American woodcock is the slowest bird on the planet, flying at a mere speed of 8 kilometers per hour. Oh, check out its cute little babies.
Did you know that happy learning is now much more than just videos? Discover the reading worksheets, interactive games, and activities to do outside the screen. My Happy Learning, the most effective and entertaining way to learn.